guys, welcome back to my cringy as fuck channel where we do cringy ass shit. It's about to do like makeup look, I guess. I don't know. I'm just gonna wing it. So just finished filming another video. So I'm just gonna take off this red lipstick. So I'm just gonna be doing a eye look. I'm gonna put concealer on them on one eye. I'm gonna be showing you a more dramatic other. I'm gonna show you a more toned down, and you guys can change these as the way that you prefer. Any, y'all's choice. I'm going to be taking the Yes Please palette. I've been really loving this recently. Recently got it Ulta. It's about like $16, I know. It's a little expensive. Brownish for my crease. And now for kind of the outer edges, I'm going to take this little burnt orange color and just take it for the outer crease. I don't have any eyelashes at the moment, so they don't include eyelashes, but I do recommend to put them on for the dramatic. And I'm just taking a little bit of the brown. Don't take too much. Literally don't even take like a lot. I'm just putting that on the outer corner. And it's this dark brown that I'm talking about. And basically, you can have a simple look right here. I feel like more simple looks are with mattes instead of glitters. But if you kind of want to kick it up a notch, you can put these on the crease or on the lid. But I'm just going to take this kind of goldish color, you can say, and put it in the inner crease and on my brow bone. Just pop it on with mascara. Just using this Lancome sample. And then to make it a little like more dramatic, I guess you can just take this little blending brush. Take this light brown color and just blend it on the under. I'm gonna take this burnt orange color, you can say, with the light brown, the same things that I used on the other eyelid, and I'm just gonna blend those two colors. I'm gonna take this little kind of packing little brush, I don't know how you can say this, I'm gonna get this dark brown and I'm gonna kind of pack it onto the lid. We're gonna add a halo eye, get concealer and a little detailed brush. Just draw it down here. I'm just gonna take this little detail brush and this shimmer eyeshadow that I used for the highlighter for the last look. I'm just gonna tap that on. You'll get this little kind of halo effect. And I'm just gonna put that mascara on here. And so, natural, kind of like, and this is like, and yeah, I hope you guys liked this video.